Exercise 9.2 Mental Methods. Number 4. Number 4. Copy and complete the multiplication grid. Number 4. We are going to solve number C. So here we know in a grid method multiplication we multiply these numbers with these numbers and we'll write down according to the boxes. Okay, so we have this missing number. Let's start from this side, first one. So we have this missing number. So what we do normally, we multiply these two numbers and we write it down over here, but we already have the answer. So what we're gonna do over here is we'll divide this answer with this number to get this answer. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. So now we can see 6 3 is 18. So our answer is right. So now we already got one answer, and the second one is 8 times 3. So 8 times 3 is 48. So we'll write 48 over here. Next one we don't have any number, both are missing. This one and this one, both are missing. So what we're gonna do is we'll check this one now so that we have this one, we'll use this one to get this number first. So 40 divided by 8 is 5. So this answer is 5. Now if we calculate 5 8s are 40. So once we got this number, now we can solve the others. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. So over here it will be 5. Now let's check. 5 5s are 25. So 6 5s are 30. So see, now we are almost solving all of them. So 5 3s are, it will be 15. So almost we got all the numbers except the answer of this row. So 9 5s are 45. 9 8s are 72. And 9 3s are 27 over here. This is how we solve the grid method multiplication if we have missing numbers. Next is number 5. Use partitioning to multiply these. So we will break this number into ones and tens and multiply it with 5 like this. Over here 5, we'll write whole number 50 and 2. So 50 plus 2 multiplied by both will be multiplied by this 5. So 50 plus 2 is 52 multiplied by 5. Here multiplication sign will write equals to. So 50 times 5 is equals to 250. 2 times 5 is equals to 10. Now add this. So it will be 52 multiplication 5, there will be no change, equals to. Now we'll add this 0 5 plus 1 6, 2 will be down over here. So our answer is 260. 52 multiplied by 5 is equals to 260. So this is how we solve the partitioning method of multiplication. Use partitioning to multiply this. So we break the numbers apart and we'll just multiply with these numbers, the number given, like over here it is 5, and after multiplying by each separately, by breaking down the numbers, if you can say partitioning the numbers, and after partitioning the numbers, multiplying and doing the multiplication, we'll add this and the answer will be same. So 52 times 5 is equals to 260. Answer 260. Next, again number F, 43 times 8. So again we'll do the partitioning method. 40 times 8 and 40 plus 3, we will write, we'll just finish this part first. 40 plus 3 is 43, so here is total 43 into 8, here is 8, so we will multiply both 3 and 40 with 8, then we'll write equals to, and we'll draw a line over here. After doing that, we'll solve it. 40 into 8 is 320, 3 into 8 is 24. Over here, add 40 plus 3, 43, into 8, we'll put down this 8 over here, is equals to, now we'll add this number. 0 plus 4 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 3, we don't have any number over here, so we'll write 3 over here, so 344. Now the whole thing, it looks like this. 43 times 8 is equals to 344. Our answer is 344. Now the next number is number 6. Use a whole number calculation to help you with this. Okay, so this is a decimal number. These are decimal number. To change this decimal number, we need to multiply with 10 to make it a whole number. So write it down. Multiply by 10 is equals to 51. After multiplying by 10, 10 multiplied by 5.1, it will be 51. Then minus, again 10 multiplied by 2.8 will be 28. So here 28 minus 51, and again we'll break it down. So 51 plus 5, we'll write this. Now we'll break down this number and write it in a bracket, because we are dealing with a minus sign over here, so we'll do it separately. 51 plus 50 plus 1, 51, here minus, we'll put the minus, and we'll break down this 28, 20 plus 8. Okay, after doing this, we'll lift the brackets. So after lifting the brackets, this sign will change, because we know this sign and this sign will be multiplied, and minus plus is minus, we know that. We'll change the sign. So 50 plus 1, here plus 1, minus minus, 20 minus this minus, this plus is minus, so minus 8. Now we will write in order from bigger number to smaller number to make it easy for us. So here 50, we will subtract this small number first. So plus 1 minus 8 is minus 7. So first we'll write 50 and then minus 20, and then we'll do this correction over here. We'll subtract 1 from minus, it will be minus 7. Plus 1 minus 8 is minus 7. We'll write down over here. Now here we'll do the correction in whole together. 50 minus 20 is 30. 30 minus 7 is 23. We are 23. Now we are solving this calculation in a whole number, but our answer should be in point at the end. So we'll write, so 5.1 minus 2.8 is equals to 2.3, because how? By dividing by 12. First we multiplied by 10 to do the calculation in a whole number, and at the end we'll divide it by 10. So we'll get the answer in point. So 5.1 minus 2.8 is 2.3. Okay, here we got number 8. Number E. So number E over here, 0.19 plus 0.23. So we don't have any minus, so we don't have to worry about the brackets. We'll just break down the numbers. This time we'll multiply. We need to multiply it with 100 to make it a whole number. Here after point there are 2 digits, so we'll multiply it with 100. Multiply with 100 is equals to 19 plus 23. Yeah, it will be like this. So again we'll break it down and write in a whole number separately, 10 separately, and then 20 separately, and 9 plus 3 is 12 over here. we'll write down 10 over here, 20 over here, tens numbers, and 9 will add the ones number, this unit numbers together, and write it down over here. 10 plus 20 plus 12 is equals to 42. The answer is 42. So again, so 0.19 plus 0.23 is equals to 0.42, dividing by 100. So first we multiply to make it a whole number, and then after doing the calculation we need to write the answer in decimals. So we are again going to divide it by 100. So here answer is 0.42. Now we have the last number, number 7. Number 7, work out this multiplication. 7 times 0.05, here 0.05, 7 5s are 35. So we'll write 5 over here, 3 carry, 7 zeros are 0, but we have a carry 3 over here. So we'll write down 0 plus 3 is 3. So we'll write down 3 over here, 7 zeros are 0, 0, and then we'll put a point over here. Our answer of number D, 7D, is 0.35. Next one, number F. Again, just multiplication of the decimals. 0.02 into 8. So here 8 2s are 16. We'll write 6 over here, 1 carry, 8 zeros are 0. So 0 plus 1 carry 1 is 1. Over here we'll put it down over here. 0 zeros are 0. After writing this, we'll put a point over here exactly where the point is, and then our answer will be 0.16. This was number 7 from exercise 9.2.